How to create IRS account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. Today in this video, I'll provide the general guidance on creating an account with the Internal Revenue Service IRS based on the information available up to that point. Keep in mind that the steps may have evolved, so it's essential to check the IRS website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date instructions. In order to create an IRS account, you can follow these general steps. First of all, visit the IRS website. Go to the official IRS website at www.irs.gov.com and hit enter in your search bar. Under How Can We Help You section, you can see that sign into your account over here. Simply click on it. IRS now offers sign-in option with ID.me, which offers access to the IRS online services with a secure account that protects your privacy. So ID.me is an account created, maintained, and secured by a technology provider. So if you don't have an ID.me account, you must create a new account in order to get access with IRS. So if you already have an account, click on sign in with an existing account and click on sign in with ID.me. Or if you do not have an account and you want to create, simply click on create a new account over here, tap on it, and you will be directed to this interface where you need to enter your email address, your password. Then you have to simply confirm your password. Do use a strong password to secure your account if you want your account to be added in your device for forever. And also check the box of I accept the ID.me terms and services and private policy and click on create an account. When you click on view more options, you can also sign in with your Facebook, your Google ID, your Apple ID, and even with the LinkedIn ID. After clicking on Create Account, the IRS may have a verification process to ensure the security of your account. This could involve receiving a verification code through the email or text message, and then establish the security measures such as security questions and a strong password to protect your account. Also, read and agree to the terms and conditions or user agreement provided by the IRS. Once you've provided all the necessary information and completed the required steps, your IRS account should be created. Now you can log into your newly created IRS account using the username and password you set up during the registration process. If you encounter any issues or have any questions during the account creation process, it's recommended to check the IRS website for updated instructions or contact the IRS directly for the assistance. Remember, the IRS regularly updates its system and processes, so it's essential to refer to its latest information on their official website. So this was all about creating an IRS account for the tax year 2024. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.